This is the cafeteria elevator at Cardinal World North Catholic High School in Mars, Pennsylvania. I am here because my sister's got a dress rehearsal for Irish dance. Schindler HT. Go down to LL, which is the cafeteria level. Oh, door close button worked. Bet that was a fluke.
If you could turn your volume down a little bit, that'd be good.
That's weird. 1-digit level and 2-digit level.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's strange.
Well, one is one. LL is
The cafeteria.
They could have called it D, I guess. For
Let's see.
basement or something.
Let's go back down up to 1. Go up to 1. Door close button does not work. Let's get a cat view. Here we go. Watch change. Change before it even moves. Really nice elevator. Keeping in mind this is a private school. There are fixtures, regular HT, very fast. ADA compliant phone, control panel, re-leveled. Something strange. My gym teacher is here, coaching a game. And like I said, my sister's doing Irish dance here as part of a dress rehearsal. So that's it.